Alright guys, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to be feeding the eel with my hand. Usually I use that stick, I stick the tail in between in there and then like send it down, but I figured I'm going to do it with my hand this time. I did see something about them being able to be hand fed, and this is the first time I do it strictly for my viewers' enjoyment and for YouTube purposes. So if you guys see anything crazy happen, you know, I don't know. Let's see what happens. He's getting really close to my hand. No! Yes. Alrighty guys, so welcome back to the channel and to another video. Thanks for passing by once again. In today's video, it's going to be just a little bit different. I know usually I structure my videos around finance, news, and all the current events going on that has to do with the finance and financial education sector. But today's going to be a little bit more relaxed, a little more fun. I decided to go ahead and purchase a saltwater fish tank. So I have a whole bunch of fish that are going to be coming inbound. It is a 75-gallon tank. It is saltwater, and there is going to be a lot of fun. And this is going to be the first time that I actually get into a hobby like this. And I decided that I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the start to finish, from the transition from where it was to where it is in my house today. And I time-lapse it for you guys so you guys are able to see the whole setup. And then at the end of the video, you can go ahead and see all the fish, get familiar with them, and just look at the overall product of the project. So with these saltwater fish tanks, you have to know common sense that is a little bit more complex than a regular fish tank. There's importance behind the water temperature, it being cycled, the right conditions, and of course, it's important because we have an ecosystem in this fish tank. So it's pretty much going to be mimicking a coral reef from the ocean, and that is no small task. So this tank is gonna have it all. We got some shrimp, eels, clownfish. There are tons of different things, some crabs. So if you're into the salt life, then I really do believe that you'll enjoy this video, and you'll be able to see if it's something that you want to get started with if you were thinking about it but haven't done it yet. And for the people who do own saltwater fish tanks, you guys already know my pain. But this is to share for everybody, and like I said, usually we do finance videos, but today we're going to be switching it around and making it a leisure recreational video featuring the saltwater fish tank. If you guys are new to the channel or passing by here for the first time, I ask you to please consider subscribing, smashing the like button and the subscribe button with the bell notification turned on so that you guys can be notified on all my future uploads about my whereabouts and what I'm up to. And before we get into this video, I just want to let all of you guys know, if you have any holdings with BTC, Bitcoin, it has now surpassed 13,708. And this is great news because it has surpassed the year's highs, and it is moving forward in the trajectory that everyone has been expecting and anticipating. Hopefully we can break past that 13,800 point, that 13,800, and then we should see some great upside from there. So anyways, time to get back into the video, so let's get into it. and
Yeah.
it kind of makes me a little uncomfortable.
Yeah,
Like,
dude,
why-
that whole
all
side
the-
of the tank was like
Dude,
that.
all the other bags of water with the critters are clear, and this guy has a straight bright yellow, like urine-like look.
It's like he pissed himself.
I don't know if they'll be able to see it on camera, but there's a huge difference. Yellow and white. Or yellow and clear, actually.
And the urine clear.
Oh, nice. He's giving you guys a show. Oh my gosh. He is a beast. He's just taking that thing. No bites. Oh my gosh, he's eating it right in front of us. This is new. This has never happened before. Oh my gosh, that was awesome. He just swallowed that whole thing in one bite. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy you guys were able to see that. That is awesome. Wow.